Hello, everyone. Welcome to Technique Force. Today we're going to talk about Video Joiner by Technique Force. Video Joiner is a software by Technique Force. In this video, I will take you through it. Let's look at how it works. Video Joiner will help you to concatenate videos seamlessly. So, here's a quick look at the steps. To start with, we will add a video. Click on Add Video. Select a video. Once you select a video, then click on Open. Again, follow the same steps to add a second video. Click on Add Video. Select a video. Click on Open. You can change the order of the videos by just dragging and dropping it like that. If you want to remove any video, then just click on this Remove button. Now click on the Start button to join the added videos. Select the path where you want to add your file and give it a name. Then click on Save. Then the video concatenation process will start, and you can see the progress here. Once completed, you will see a message pop up like this. Then go to the location, and you will find your concatenated video. So you see how easy it is to join two videos. Go ahead and get yourself this awesome tool. That's all for today. Thank you.